Let me tell you something. You see, most of you guys, you are not broke because you don't know how to make money. Some of you guys, you know how to make money. You know how to make money. You. You know how to make money. Some of you guys, you know how to make money. But the problem comes that after they have paid you or after you have made like 1 million, after 1 week, you are broke. After 2 weeks, you are broke. After 3 months, you are broke. Not because you don't know how to make money. You know how to make money. But this is where the problem comes. Most of you guys, you don't understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Any person who does not understand anything about assets and liabilities, you're going to continue remaining broke. You'll remain broke. You'll remain broke. Even if you make 10 million, after 6 months, you will still go broke because you don't understand assets and liabilities. So in this video, I'm going to break them down step by step so that you can understand them and you start managing your finances in the right way. Now, let us start with assets. When we talk about assets, assets are things. These are things that brings money to your pocket. They bring money. They increases your cash inflow. They increase your cash inflow. They bring money. They bring money to your pocket. That is what assets are. Assets bring money to your pocket. What are some of the examples of these assets that you need to understand? One of them is a business. Any person who has a business, your business is your asset. A business increases your cash inflow. Cash inflow. Write to me in the comment section. Cash inflow. Write to me in the comment section. Cash inflow. Business is an asset. It generates for you cash inflow. A business is an asset. So put your money into a business. Let your money bring for you more money. Number 2 is stocks. You can buy stocks. Like, by the way, on the 12th, this Friday, SpaceX, Elon Musk company, is opening its IPO just at $135 only. So you can buy stocks. Stocks are assets, long-term assets. Go and buy them. Go and buy stocks for SpaceX. Go and buy. Just a share is... They're giving a share at only $135. You can buy it. Those are long-term assets. Wisdom. Write to me in the comment section. Wisdom. Now, another examples of assets could be rental properties, houses, rentals. These are assets. They bring money to your pocket. Put your money into rentals. Now, listen to me carefully. If you cannot afford to have rental properties, then the next type of asset is what you can afford. What I call digital products. Digital products. Bro, listen to me. Have made more than 37 million Ugandan shillings just from selling digital products. Just from digital products. There are so many types of digital products. The videos you create, those are digital products. Music, those are digital products. PDFs, those are digital products. I've made money from digital products. So if you cannot afford to have rental properties as your asset, focus on digital products. Go and open a YouTube channel. Open a YouTube channel, start creating value, post those videos on YouTube. When they monetize your account, it becomes your asset. Wisdom. This is where most young people begin to rise. So you need to understand that assets are things that brings money to your pocket. So put your money into assets. When you make money, put your money into an asset. Put your money into businesses. Put your money into stocks. Put your money into rental properties. Put your money into digital products. It will make for you money. You'll make a lot of money from it. You understand? Now, let's go to liabilities. If you don't understand liabilities, if you don't understand what liabilities are, you will continue remaining broke. I promise you, you will continue remaining broke. Now, let me break liabilities down. Since we said assets are things that brings money to your pocket, then liability is just the vice versa. Liabilities are just things that takes money away from your pocket. Things that increases your cash outflow. Cash outflow. Things that takes money away from your pocket without bringing it back. Those are liabilities. They drain money from your pocket without bringing it back. Those are liabilities. Some of the liabilities that you people have is what I call unnecessary debts. Unnecessary debts. For example, if I call some of you right now, and I be like, I want to send for you money. Some of you are going to tell me that don't put in Airtel, put in MTN, don't put in that number, put it in this number because you have debts in all your lines. MTN, you have debts. Airtel, you have debts. So you choose to use the phone number for another person to receive money from your friends, from your uncle, from your brothers, because you have debts all over. Unnecessary debts. These are liabilities. They steal from your future. Sure. Unnecessary debts. You borrow money to consume. You borrow loans to consume, to buy a new clothing, to buy a new phone. These are liabilities. They keep draining you. They keep taking money away from your pocket. You make money today, takes money from your pocket. You make money today, takes money from your pocket. Eh? That's why you're broke. You're not broke because you don't know how to make money. You know how to make money. But you put your money into liabilities. You buy liabilities, luxurious spending. You want to live a luxurious life, but you cannot afford that luxurious life. Your salary is only 500,000 Ugandan shillings. You're in Kampala and you're renting a house of 350,000 Ugandan shillings. No common sense. That's why you're broke, bro. That's why you're broke. You cannot live on 150k a month. You cannot. In Kampala, you cannot live on 150k a month. You cannot. If this 150k gets finished, you're going to be forced to go and borrow money, to go and borrow a loan. When you borrow a loan, you will have entered a very big trap, because that loan you're borrowing it so that you can continue surviving. You're borrowing it to consume. So the next month when they pay you, the people you owe them money, they're going to chop, and you remain broke. You're not growing financially. You're not growing wisdom. You're not growing. You lack financial wisdom. Then depreciating items. Some of you guys, you focus on buying things, luxurious clothing that depreciates in value. You have made your first 20 million, your first 10 million, your first 15 million. You're thinking of, let me go and buy a car. Yet you don't have any business generating for you cash flow. You don't have any business generating for you cash flow. You buy liabilities. You buy things that depreciates in value. That is why you're broke, you see. So listen to me carefully. If you want to understand more about finance, you want to understand more about business, and you want to learn how to make money on the internet, then I'm asking you to comment ready so that you can join Obin Academy and you start learning every evening from 8 p.m. up to 9 p.m. together with my students inside Obin Academy community. Comment ready and I'll respond to you instantly. One love.